So Harlow is a ghost town.
We have a vision for this place. All it needs is young blood.
I don't want to live here.
This is a chance for people to start fresh somewhere. Somewhere safe.
Hey guys, you should see this.
What are you doing in our house? You really shouldn't be here.